how to create your own mandala. In order to create your own mandala, there are few things that you need to know and few questions that you need to ask yourself. Question number 1. Is everything doodled a mandala? Of course not. A mandala is composed from a number of circles organized around the same center. So, between this owl and this owl, which one is a mandala? Yeah, it's this one. Question number 2. Where should I start from? To enjoy the drawing experience, you should know what you want or what you feel like drawing. So, ask yourself these following questions. 1. Do I want to draw a centered or a side mandala? 2. Do I want to draw a grid or a freehand mandala? And 3. What are the basic shapes of a mandala that I can use? First, let me explain the centered and the side mandala. This is a centered mandala. It means the common center of the circles is in the center of your canvas. And this is a side mandala. Now the side mandala can be on the left, right, bottom, and it could be a half mandala like this one or a partially cut mandala. It's totally your call. Now what's the difference between a grid mandala and a freehand mandala? If you wish to draw a mandala based on a grid, then these are the mandala grids you need to prepare. On my channel, you will find many videos explaining in details how to draw a mandala grid. Please note that the measures of your mandala grid depend totally on the design you have in mind and on the time you plan to spend drawing your mandala. If you're simply not in the mood to draw a grid and you feel like grabbing a pen and doodling, then this is the technique to follow to draw a freehand mandala. Last, what are the basic shapes that you can choose from? You have the triangle, square, circle, lines, cross, spirals, petal, pointed petal, and many more shapes. This is the list of the shapes that you can use, and you can find this exact tutorial on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and to turn the notification bell on to be the first to watch my daily uploaded video. See you next time!